Hello everyone. In today's video, let's try to understand how we can create our MongoDB database. So in previous videos, we have learned how we have to install MongoDB server and MongoDB shell. So to create a database, first we have to open the terminal or command prompt. Okay, so if you are using your Mac, open the terminal. If you are using Windows or Linux, open the command prompt and terminal. Once you open the terminal, next step what you have to do is we have to activate MongoDB shell. So how to do? Let's try to explain me. So here already I have opened my terminal. So once the terminal is opened, we have to activate our MongoDB shell. So for that, we have to type here MongoDB or not MongoDB, MongoDB sh command, Mongo shell. So we have to type the command mongo sh, press on enter. The moment you press on enter, now here you will get something called test. So this indicates we have activated our MongoDB shell. So I am clearing this part. So the moment you get here like this test, it means now you are inside the MongoDB shell terminal. And if you see here, the title of the terminal got changed to Mongo shell. If you want to exit, just type here exit and click on enter. You will be exit from MongoDB shell. See here you got the title as a MongoDB. Here you got the title as a command prompt. So again, if you want to activate your MongoDB shell, just you have to type mongo sh and press enter. Now your MongoDB shell will be activated. Not only MongoDB shell activates here, internally it will connect with your MongoDB server, which we have installed and running in our system as a service. So in background, your MongoDB server is running as a service. So now this MongoDB shell gets connected with that MongoDB server. Now here we have to use the command use space our database name to create the database. Suppose I want to create the database with something called MongoDB, or here I will give some other name, something like e-commerce DB. So you have to use the command use and whatever name you want to give for your database, that name you have to add. Now press on enter. That's it. If you get here message, switch it to DB e-commerce DB, and if you get the path here as your database name, it means a database is created with e-commerce DB and you are switched to control, you are switched to the control of the database. Now, if you want to list out all the databases that you have created, for that you have to use the command show DBs. The moment you use the command show DBs, it will show you the list of all the databases that you have created. Here, see, these are the different databases I have created. But here, if you see, you won't find my e-commerce DB. So here all are listed in the alphabetical order. Here I have something called ecom DB, but I don't have something called e-commerce DB. So basically your database is created, but it is not listed here. So if you want to list your database here, then you should have at least one collection in your MongoDB database. So what is that collection and how we can list our database using this command called show DBs? That is what we will see in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video.